could scarcely believe it, but yes, that's Niamh. She always had huge potential. All our children do, but I remember it like it was yesterday, seeing Niamh and her duck practicing those early skills for the camera. Just look at how tiny she was, and look at her now. All that kicking practice, and now she's here in swim academy, swimming on her back like a natural. And Niamh hasn't even started school yet. Holding on is one of the most important safety skills we teach. Niamh uses this now to hold herself steady while she gets ready for independent swims. Niamh, ready? Push! Speaking of holding on, just look at her little brother Patrick. Niamh's duck is lucky enough to be helping Patrick now. Children never like to be too far from us ducks. Look at him heading to his duck during the monkey walk. Our kickers love to kick, and Patrick is no exception. But what they don't realise is that they are learning to swim by having fun. Genius! Puddle ducks really is the perfect introduction to swimming.